Hello friends, today we are going to be unboxing Series 2 Mini Fashion Mini Brands from Zuru Toys. Zuru Toys was kind enough to send me this box. Thank you, Zuru Toys. I'm so excited to open these. What's inside here? Let's take a look around. There are supposed to be 70 different items in the series, 20 new items, and 3 rare items. Let's see some of the things that we can get. What are you hoping to see? Some of these items are really cute. Let's first open the doors and see what is going to come out of this door. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? So it looks like there's a few more inside. We'll have to get to those. Let's close these doors. Okay, so I think I'm only going to open a couple of these here on this video, and then I'm going to open the rest on YouTube Shorts. All right, so Mini Fashion Series 2 from 5 Surprise, all new designs to collect. We've got a zipper here, 100 real fabric fashion bags and accessories to collect. Okay, we are going to start here with the zipper. We're going to go the wrong way. It's easier to go from this way, so we're going to go here. Finally, longest unboxing ever. Nice and smooth. Can't wait to find out what's in here. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we've got 2 bags. So let's take a look at this first. Oh, this is all the nice things we can get. Let's check it out. Okay. Some of these are super cute. I think I'm really liking the luggage. Ooh. So we've got a bag here. Series 2. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Ooh. I love the detail right here. You know, like when you put your purse down and they've got the little studs right here on the bottom. Oh, it's got like a nice soft velvety feel inside. Ooh, feels nice. We've got some sewn on detail right there. Nice little handle. Super cute for my first one. How exciting. Okay, we'll put that over there. Our second bag. I don't know, this feels different. I have no idea what's inside, but I'm super excited. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a sticker. What is this? Mini Fashion. Oh, this is nice. It's like soft and silky, and it's got some little tassels. Ooh, I like it. Cute. Okay. And then we have, what is this? Oh, look at this. It's like a cream or a lotion. It's a cosmetics of some sort. Definitely cosmetics. We have a little purse. There it is. Okay, let's check it out. So it's like a cute little wallet, and it has fun little details. And it's got a little snap here. It's got a little chain here. So this is what it looked like when I unboxed it. It was chained like that to the snap. I don't know. I've never owned anything like this, so super cute. And we're spending too much time on this. Let's go on to the next one. So I just looked. Do you see this right here? It's supposed to be a sweet scented rare item. It smells so good. I smelled it just now. I was like, what? It's scented? It actually is scented. That's so crazy. Okay, so we put all of our little things here that we got from the first fall. Now let's open another one. So same thing. I'm not going to do much talking because we know how this is going to go. I'm filling these bags. This one, I feel something with a different shape. This one is soft and squishy. I don't know which one to go for first. I'm really curious about this one, but I feel like it's something good. So we'll just start with the soft and squishy one. A double, of course. Okay, well, we have a double. Okay, well, and that's why I went with that one. Because this one, I'm excited about. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there is something cute in there. So definitely something different. This is a sticker, and this is a double. Now, what is this? This is the cutest little thing. Hello, cutie. Little puppy figurine. Love her long hair. This used to be the style back in the day. If you know, you know. So cute. Look at those eyes. Okay. This is an accessory. I don't know what it is. Somebody leave down in the comments below if you have any idea. Let's do one more. This is the third one. I don't even know how many capsules are in that box, but let's do one more because I'm kind of let down that I got doubles. So let's see what we have in this one. Let's hope for something good. Here we go. Feels like something small in here. Something big and squishy in here. So this time I'm going to start with the unique item that I feel in here. It's hard, so let's see what's in. Oh, okay. We've got, what do you call this? Handkerchief, head wrap, scarf. Beautiful. Sticker. Put that in the pile with the others. Oh, and a few little things down here. Oh my gosh, okay. So we have a brush. Look at the detail right there. How cute. Okay. And we've got some mini fashion eyelashes. Can I open it? Oh my gosh, you can open it. How cute. It's got the case right here. A gold case, by the way. Let's see what's inside of this bag. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love this design. Oh, it's like a croc embossed, well, fake, obviously, purse. I love it. And then you've got the keychains right here, the little details, or charms, I should say. Let's open it up. Oh, it's got a little, like a little strap here, a little belt that you can tuck that in. Ooh, the inside's pretty. I love this pink color. Look at this. And then it's got a little strap. That is so cute. So I thought this was a buckle. It's not a buckle. It's just a little detail, and then you tuck it in right here. That is so cute. Okay, you guys. So this is what I got down here. So the rest I'm going to do on YouTube Shorts. So make sure you check out our shorts. And thanks for sticking around and watching this. This was really fun. It's so fun to go through these and find stuff that honestly I have been storing for a year. I can't believe it. I can't wait to see what else I open. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.